make my black soap shampoo for my husband. I haven't used it yet because I haven't done my hair or washed my hair. Don't judge me. But I make it for my husband. And I have some crushed up black soap here. I've had it for a while. So that's why it has that white, you know, I don't know what they call it, but it's just some white cast over it. And then I have a jar. And then I have some water on the stove. Some filtered water here. And then you'll need an oil, a very moisturizing oil. And that's pretty much any measuring. I just put some soap in there. And like just however much I want. This much will probably make about what, 2 12-ounce bottles, so 24 ounces. And basically, I'm telling you, I don't measure anything, but I think that's a good amount. And then I'm gonna add some hot water to it. So now I'm gonna add the water. I'm gonna add quite a bit of it. I'm just gonna sit this here and let the soap dissolve. So you want to be really careful because, of course, you just pour some hot water in it, and you're gonna just wait it out until it all dissolves. And you can see the ash right there. But you want to let it all dissolve. And what I do is I just add more soap if I think it needs more soap. So I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like once it dissolves. So the reason I make black soap for my husband is because he has very, very, very dry scalp. I don't think it's just dry scalp. I think that he probably has psoriasis, but he will not go to the dermatologist to see. So any commercial shampoo, I've noticed, just pretty much causes his scalp to flake up. Worse, we found that him using this, it just feels dry and it flakes up slightly, but not as much as it used to. And he's able to just keep his scalp moisturized and it not flake up as bad. And when I tell you guys it flaked up, it was like chunks. It was crazy. So we stopped using Suave and Head and Shoulders and men, what was it? I think it was like a men's, some kind of men's Dove or something he was using. And I was like, we gotta just stop this and just go with the natural route. So basically, I just make this shampoo. I dilute the soap, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I add more soap to what I already have here. And you know, once it's dissolved, and then I'll add some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil. You can do sweet almond oil, you can do avocado oil. You just want to really moisturizing oil. So what I can tell you is that although you're using that moisturizing oil, you're still gonna need to moisturize your scalp afterwards in your hair and take care of your hair. But this is just a chemical-free way to wash your hair and it not like have all those crazy ingredients in it that can cause your scalp to be irritated. You know, we just don't want that anymore. So I have a bottle like this that I got from Sally's, and then I have this bottle that I got from Sally's. This one is an 8 ounce. This one is a 6 ounce. And what I do is I grab a funnel, and this isn't too hot anymore. And I just basically pour some of the liquid off, right? And then I add more soap to this. So I'm adding more hot water. Now it's at 3.5 ounces. And what I can do and what I am gonna do is I'm gonna add about 1 ounce of oil so I can make sure I leave space for the oil. I don't wanna have so much soap because of course I'm gonna pour more of that in here. But I don't wanna pour so much soap where I don't have room for the actual moisturizer. So I have a little over 1 ounce of oil, and once that dissolves, I'm gonna pour more inside, and I'm not gonna fill it to the 6 ounce line. I'm actually gonna fill it all the way up to about here. Where I pour some of it off is so that I can add more soap and more hot water because of course it's cooling off, and I want more soap. So why not just, you know, add some more and pour things off. Okay, so this has about 1.5 ounces of oil. The other one I put about 2 ounces in because it holds 8 ounces. So before each use, you want to make sure you shake it. And I'm gonna pour some right here, and I'm gonna show you how soapy it is. As you can see, it lathers, and boom, just rinse. I rinse my hand off, and I can feel there's a little bit of oil left on my hands. So you can use this as a body wash if you want to. It's soap. So I'm really excited to try it. My husband used both bottles that I made for him before, and I had to hurry and make him some more.